everyone, welcome to Zaika Kitchen Ka Ustad. I am Shamik Bhattacharya here with a recipe of fish from Bengal. This is a recipe which I have made a little fusion. We will see how to do it. I have named this dish as Ocean Exotica. In this dish, I have some ingredients I will show you. We have 250 gram of fish fillet. This is one boned fish. These are boneless fish fillets. I have 100 gram of prawns, small prawns. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, some green chilies, 5 eggs, mayonnaise, you have some vegetable oil, around 500 ml of vegetable oil, mustard sauce, salt, pepper for tasting, cornflakes, corn flour, we have some 2 boiled potatoes medium size, 2 onions, fringe beans, we have some coriander, some mint leaf, we have 2 tomatoes, 2 carrot, 1 capsicum and 2 lemon. These are the ingredients which we will use today for Ocean Exotica. Here we have taken the fish. We will first marinate the fish. Let's see how to marinate it. This is mustard. We will use little mustard on top of every fillet. Not much. Mustard is very pungent. So use little so that it enhance the taste of the dish. We have here ginger garlic paste. We use half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and coat on all the fish fillets. We have 1 lemon. We'll use the juice of 1/4 of lemon on this. Let's de-seed the lemon. Lemon goes very well with the fish. Here we have used the lemon in it. We're squeezing around 1 full tablespoon of lemon. We'll use our hand to apply it on all the fillets, both the sides. One more ingredient which is very important is salt. We'll put in a little of salt in it. Applied salt, we will also apply a little of pepper powder. So let's marinate the fish fillets. See, these are the fish fillets we have. Around 2 centimeter thick fillets. We will marinate the fillets one by one. Please use soft hand to do it so that it doesn't break. So here we have marinated the fish. We'll keep it aside for half an hour. Now the next ingredient is prawn. This is the queen of the dish. So we'll chop the prawns. You have to chop the prawns here. I will take the prawns with me. So this should be enough. I am going to rough chop the prawns. So we'll chop 2 green chilies too along with this. So we have chopped the prawns and 2 chilies along with it. We'll take it into a bowl and mix it up and we will keep it ready for the filling. So we are adding again 2 tablespoons of onions into this mixture. Prawns, chilies, onions, will add little of pepper powder, little of salt seasoning and little ginger garlic paste, around half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So we'll mix it all together. Okay, now we'll make a green chutney kind of a thing. For this we need little mint. We'll take little mint, little coriander. We have fresh corianders here, so we'll add some corianders. We'll add 2 green chilies, little salt for the taste, and we'll add lemon juice. So we'll add little lemon juice also. So we'll squeeze the lemon juice and we'll grind these to coarse paste. I'll show you. See, we have made this into a coarse paste. So we will use 3/4 of this, we'll keep it, and 1/4 will make it a little smooth paste. I'll show you how to do it. With the leftover green leaf, we have made a little green chutney which we'll use for garnishing. Now we are going to make powder of the cornflakes for crumb. See, our crumb is ready. Now we are going to make the filling of the fish. So we are arranging the fish, the fillets, which will stuff the green chutney in between these fillets. So we have applied the paste of green leaves on the top of the fish fillets. Next we are going to top it over with the prawn mixture. Here is the prawn mixture. We will place 1 big tablespoon on each. So this we have applied the prawn mixture on top of each fillet. So see how good it looks, like a sandwich. So now we'll breadcrumb the fillets. We'll take it very slowly. We'll place it on top of this crumb and we'll crumb the fillets one by one. Here my fish fillets ready with the coating of cornflakes. So we are going to fry it later. Till then we will make the accompaniment with the dish. This is little salad. We have made finger size shapes of carrot and beans. We are going to parboil it in water. We are also going to add little salt in the water and parboil it. So now for the mashed potato, we are taking the potatoes which we have already boiled 4 potatoes. With a masher we will mash these potatoes. This we have mashed the potatoes and they are in the smooth in texture. Now we are going to add little of pepper powder in it. Little more. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and we are going to mix it together. As potatoes are warm, butter will melt in it and will enhance the flavor. Please use salt as per taste because the butter has also salt. This is a salted butter. For the egg salad, we have taken 2 boiled eggs, hard boiled eggs, and cut into half. We are going to use the egg yolk and mayonnaise to make the topping of the egg salad. Let's see. For the egg salad, which is called as œuf dur mayonnaise, is a very famous French salad. So here we crush the egg yolks. We'll add mayonnaise to it, a lot of mayonnaise. So we are adding a lot of mayonnaise. This salad goes best with the fish dish. We'll adjust the consistency. This egg yolks gives a good body to this salad and topping. We'll add little of mustard also into it. Little mustard. Little of pepper powder and salt too. Very little oil for sauteing the vegetables. Around 1 tablespoon of oil would be enough. We'll add the vegetables parboiled. We'll add the carrot. See, we have cut juliennes of the capsicum. We'll add some capsicum. The beans which are parboiled. And we'll saute it. We'll make the flame high and we'll saute these vegetables. We'll add little seasoning of salt and pepper on it. And we'll saute it in high flame around for 30 seconds. We have cut the tomatoes into half. So we are again going to grill these tomatoes to make it. Grilled tomatoes. Don't keep the flame too high. I lower the flame to 160 or 150. We have taken the egg yolk and the mayonnaise mixture in a piping bag and we are going to pipe it inside the eggs. We have heated oil in a pan around 2 cm thick. We are beating 3 eggs with little salt in it to coat the fries and fry it in the oil. So we are taking one fry at a time. We are dipping it in egg. Just dip it. We'll drain out the excess egg and put it inside the oil. So now you can see it has become golden. So we'll take it off. We will not fry it till brown because we are going to again fry it once more. Now with one coat my fries are ready. So I'll keep it aside till I make the batter for the next coating. I'll show you, it's very interesting, see. So with the rest of the egg mixture I will add corn flour. I have mixed the corn flour with water so that it doesn't form lump, and I will mix it with the eggs. So here we are at the end of this recipe. I have beaten the eggs with corn flour, and now I am going to make a net type of kind of thing. It is not easy to explain, but watch and see how to do it. You have to do it with your fingers in the oil, and there will be a net which will get created. We will place one cutlet at one side. With the help of 2 spoons, we will wrap up this net of egg on top of this cutlet. So here it goes. See how we are coating it. It's nicely getting coated. See how nice it looks. So now see, this has become golden brown in color, and how nice it's looked. We'll do the other side round. So both the sides have been done. We'll take it off. We'll remove the excess oil and we'll take it off. You can see how flaky it looks, and it tastes also in the same way. It's so flaky and light. So now we are into the plating of this dish. The green chutney, if you remember, we have made. So we'll put the green chutney in one side of the plate, a little more. Now with a brush, we will brush the green chutney throughout. Little here. Right. See how nice it looks with the green chutneys. Now the mashed potato we have put into a piping bag. We will pipe the mashed potato in a big round shape. We have these vegetables with us, which we have made down at a potli. We place the vegetables in between the potato. We have the Oak-Dur mayonnaise salad ready. So we'll bring it up one by one, and we'll paste on this nice curve of green chutney. Here it goes. We have the tomatoes, grilled tomatoes. We'll place it one after the another. Here it goes. We have a lemon bread. So here we place the lemon. Yes. Now we will place our most important dish, that is the fish koviraji. We'll cut one into half. See, it's so crispy. It's breaking down. The sides are breaking down. We'll sprinkle little green onion on top of the mayonnaise and the fry. So this is the dish ready finally for you. How do you like it? It's awesome in taste, awesome in look. The layers show as a sandwich of fish for you. Let's taste it. How does it taste? Now our fish koviraji is ready. So let's taste how it is. Okay. Yes, the layers are prominent. Oh, it's soft. Cutting down. Yeah, I'm tasting it. The flavor of mint, flavor of coriander, prawn, and BQ. Wow. It's melting inside the mouth. And after a very long time I have this kind of fish. Ocean Exotica. Try it at home and enjoy. Thank you so much.